Machiegni kendo nyakoro mga jong'ero kamano kuom medo ketera mogi TV. Sirikand piny Faransa osingo medo siro Kenya e chwalo nyime chenro mag jiwo ochumi kaka lony ma nyasani kendo tiyo gi talanta mar oganda e jiwo yuto. Jambetre mar France kata Faransa e pacho kae anak sukwe to mako chung'ne giseno nyalo mar Kenya kuom weche mag lony ma nyasani kendo talanta mar awere ntiere godo. Wacho mae limbe mare kaunti ma Siaya kamano limo dag mbui kod lony mantie Bondo sub county motesini Siaya Community Digital Hub. Limbe no Jambetre no po Senator ma Siaya Dr. Oburu Oginga kuom siro chenro makamano. Jagoro mongere migao mar awere Fikirini Jacobs mowacho ni sirikal ne opara manyime e loso chik makoro biro keto maine sekta mar lony ma nyasani.
French. You have also French speaker here, but I think I can see there's a drive to also learn foreign languages. And as the embassy, we are already supporting some of the girls' schools here. The senator has made a pitch to support his own school, and moving forward, we'll also consider and try to support French language here in Siaya County.
Knowledge is the equalizer. Education is the equalizer. You will be equal to all those people you think are above you once you acquire knowledge. And acquiring is bigger, and you are still young. Don't engage in too much other side things. Those things are still there.
The youth who are targeted now only became passive recipients of these bills. So that's why we are creating a platform where we are taking some of these initiatives, including the Creative Economy Bill and the Youth Bill, to the stakeholders for engagement of the same.